guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you one of my most favorite face pack that actually works. I was shocked to see the result after using this pack regularly for up to 24 days. It actually removed my pigmentation marks, dark spots, fine lines on my face and improved my skin texture and tone to a great extent. Even my mom also used this face pack and she was extremely happy with the result. She noticed a reduction in her spots and wrinkles up to 60%. So I thought of sharing with you all this face pack that will be really helpful to you. Now let me tell you that this is not at all a sponsored product. It is my personal favorite. It's an Ayurvedic face pack. As you all know, Ayurvedic products are completely natural with no side effects. It works like a medicine to your skin. This pack is a unique blend of ancient Ayurvedic herbs. It has some unique ingredients that I'm sure you might not have heard. Some of these ingredients like Lodra, Ushira, Geru, Arjuna, and along with that it also has neem, tulsi, amba haldi, multani mitti, glycerin and a lot of good stuffs in it. The presence of Lodra, neem, tulsi and Geru fights hyperpigmentation, scars, dark spots, large pores and discoloration. Arjuna is one of the best anti-aging ingredients. It firms and tightens skin. And Ushira, Multani Mitti and Amba Haldi lightens and improves the overall skin tone and gives your complexion a brightening boost. So as you can see, this is my second face pack. First one is completely over and I'll show how I use this face pack to get mind-blowing results. So follow the steps. So before applying, clean your face with rose water. Apply a thin layer of this paste. The consistency is really smooth so it spreads easily. Leave it on for 10 minutes. Now once it dries, just wet your fingers and rub to remove the paste and then rinse off with cool water. So you can enhance your fairness by adding a dash of lime juice or lemon juice to this pack. Then finally moisturize your skin. Just take half teaspoon of aloe vera gel and the content of 1 vitamin E capsule, or you can also use vitamin E oil. Now massage this moisturizer until fully absorbed. Now let me tell you one thing, that this won't give you instant fairness but will leave your skin clear, extremely smooth, soft, poreless, bright. And after using this, I guarantee you that you'll love the texture of your skin. Your skin will look so firm, tight, soft and glossy. As you know, nowadays Ayurvedic and organic face packs are too costly, but this is quite reasonable. This is undoubtedly one of my best face pack and my personal favorite skincare product. I just love it. You can also give it a try and get rid of pigmentation spots, dark spots, pimples. So I hope you found this video useful. Thanks everyone. For more such amazing beauty tips and updates, subscribe to my channel. Take care and bye.